Hello students, this is Professor Meera Gohil from TIMSCDR Mumbai, that is Thakur MCA College, and welcome in this DMI app. Today we will see how we can use this DMI app. This is our home page of the app. These are the menus we are having: login, log out, um, home, health tips, daily student input, health survey, contact us, and DMI website. Now, before we start with the app, we require to log in with this particular app. So, once you go in login, it will ask for your mobile number and password. Now, if you are using this app for the first time, now you click on "Not a member yet, sign up here." Now this will redirect to you on sign up page, and here you require to include all the details regarding your registration, and the details contain like parent guardian cell number and name, alternate emergency cell number, your team partner, field guide, and faculty guide name and cell numbers. So these are the things you require to input. Now input all the details carefully, and most importantly your full name and cell number and roll number. These are the three things which you cannot modify if you have not filled properly. Okay, rest of the things you can modify if you have not filled properly, but these are the three things which you cannot modify later on. So please fill this information carefully. Okay. Now suppose you want to update this information. If by mistake you have not entered properly like team partner, cell number or name, then here we are having update profile option also. So you go to update profile option, but before that you require to log in, and then only you can go for this. So for login purpose, I have already created one login, so we will use this login. So here we are having our logged in app. This is our home page. Now we have health tips. Okay, so precaution that you have to take compulsorily, and one of the form is daily student input. In this daily student information, we are having details like morning and evening temperature. Do you have cough, fever, breathing problem, smelling problem, body ache, headache, or your viral infection? Did you meet anyone having viral infection? Now, then you can submit this data. This data added successfully for this particular login. Now, if you want to add the same data again, it will not allowed, because per day you require to input this detail only once. Now another one is health survey. Now this you can add as many as health survey you want to add. Okay, so now here you require to add enter name of the people you met. Okay, then designation, contact number, and meeting duration. Let's say 60 minutes. Select meeting place, that is I have selected inside room. Okay, and then add data. Okay, now this will add data on server, and it will ask for another input if you want to add. So data added, more health survey you can add. Now for this particular case I have already allowed location permission. That's why the app has not asked for location permission, but you have to accept location permission before using this health survey. Okay, so then suppose you want to update profile, so you can update profile, any of the profile detail if you want to update, then you can update. As I told you, your name, roll number, and your mobile number you cannot add. Clear everyone? Okay, so this way you can use this DMI app. Enjoy using this app. Thank you very much everyone.